Morning. What I'd like you to have a go at today is multiplying by 4 digits by 2 digits. There is a section on the BBC website that I'll put a link to that has a short video that's just here that goes through the method of timesing a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. You'll remember from the classes we've done in school that the way that we do this is we split it up essentially so that we times 1343 by 6 first, and that goes sort of first below the line. So 6 times 3 goes here, 6 times 4 goes in the tens column, 6 times 3 again goes in the hundreds column, 6 times 1 will go in the thousands column. If you need to carry things over, then you definitely will between that 3 and that 1. Then you times things by 20. So you can do this in two ways. One, you can sort of think about the 20 times table and say 20 times 3 is 60. 60 goes in there. Then 20 times 4 is going to be 800, so the 8 goes in there. 20 times 3 is going to be 20 times 300 is 6,000. For me, that gets a little bit confusing. The rule I always use is when you're timesing by this tens number, you stick a 0 in there for starters, and now you can just imagine it as a 2. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6 again, and 2 times 1 is 2. And that gets you there. Then all you've got to do is add those two together. Once you've had a go at that, have a look at the video, have a look at the little slideshow, which, let me just click through that. I'm kind of going through it backwards, but the slideshow shows you how you would build it up, so you can always keep coming back to this. This is essentially the type of thing that we would model on the board as teachers. So have a look at that if you ever get stuck. Then there's a little bit of practice, and then there's some games that some activities and games that you can have a go at, just to try and embed that knowledge. Good luck with that. Any questions? I would say first go back to this little slideshow because it sets it out quite nice and easily. But any questions following that, drop a comment and hopefully I'll be around and I can help.